channel. So I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this hair. If you want to see how I got it, just keep on watching. Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm still trying to wake up, so bear with me. So the first two products I tried out was the shampoo and conditioner. So this is the Intensive Hydration Shampoo from Shea Moisture. I got this in my curlBOX and I thought I'd do a hair tutorial for you guys. So this first product, it kind of feels like a clarifying shampoo, but just not as aggressive as a clarifying shampoo. So it gives you that like clean feel, but not that super like, you know, squeaky clean like, you know, normally like a Head and Shoulder or a typical clarifying shampoo. So I did feel like it did take out like a lot of the product buildup from my hair. So I like that. And it has a nice scent, like a shea butter fragrance to it, so it was really nice. The conditioner, I like the conditioner. My pump didn't work. So when I did unscrew it, the product came out easily, so it's not a big deal. I just have to change the top. So besides that being the only negative thing, the conditioner felt nice. Not a thick conditioner, so for thick, dry, curly hair, it probably won't work for you. So I think even though my hair is fairly thick, I will prefer something a little bit more thicker, I guess, in a way. But it did feel nice, and so see how that goes. So the first product I am going to use, I'm going to use the Intensive Hydration Leave-In Milk. So it's this guy right here. You'll hear my daughter, she's waking up and she's like ready to go, and I'm like trying to get my life together. So, product's thick. It has the same shea butter fragrance, so I'm assuming since it's all the same line, it would have the same fragrance. This is a thick product, so you're really gonna have to be aggressive with the bottle. So overall, the product feels nice. It is super hard to get it out of the little tube thingy. So it probably would have been nice if the product was in a jar instead, since it is so thick. But not bad. Okay, the next product I'm going to try is the Intensive Hydration Twist Defining Custard. So it's this guy right here. So it's like this. It is a thick material too. I guess since it is a intensive hydration line, it makes sense why the product is so thick. So today is Saturday morning. And did you guys see the wedding? I didn't. I fell asleep. With Prince Harry and Meghan. I was kind of surprised with her dress. I think because, you know, being American, I would have expected something like flashy, but she kept it very subtle, which is nice because it's not what you expect. She looked beautiful, of course, but I'm those kind of people that even though there's like big celebrity events or anything like that, I normally just like to look at the highlights instead of watch like the whole thing, you know, to see like what everyone's wearing, who was there, things like that. And do you guys prefer me talking or just like a little quick voiceover? I try to keep the videos short, only because like I personally like watching short videos instead of long videos. So let me know. I won't get offended or anything if you guys prefer to be like, no, less, keep it short, quit yakking away. I just feel like most people I really don't talk about my personal life on these videos. It's not that I don't want to share anything, it's just I try to get to the point and, you know, move on so we keep going. So I'm a yakker. I love to talk, so that's why I think I keep videos short, so I'm not just talking through the whole thing. Okay. And the last product I have is the Hydrate Design Max Hold Gel, which I think it's a edge control gel. Edge control gel, so I'm not sure how. Oh, it's a little not what I thought. So It is a softer gel, so I could probably use this. And I like this little top. Isn't that neat? I like that little feature instead of like twisting it open. So let's see if before any of it comes out. So it's super soft. I could probably use this all over my hair. I'll be outside, so it's not a big deal. Just gel feels nice. A little thicker, but not thick. Like the gel feels nice and thin, but when you put it on your hair, it feels thick. I know that doesn't make any sense, but it feels like two different products, I guess, in a way. Okay, that gel felt nice. I like that. Especially the packaging, that's really great. Super easy to work with. Okay. Let's get some of this product out. Like I've mentioned before, I do put on a lot of product in my hair. It don't look like it, but my hair is really thick. And I prefer my hair being a little bit more weighed down because when I don't use that much product, my hair gets really, really big. And which people are like, no, the bigger the better. And I'm like, yeah, in a way, but you know, kind of gotta keep these curls under control. All right, so I normally let it air dry for about an hour. I do diffuse my hair only because I'm always short on time. I am a mom, so my kids don't care. My one kid, not kids. My kid doesn't care. So yeah, I'll be back in an hour. Okay, so it's been about an hour. Okay, it's been about an hour, and I am going to diffuse my hair. This is the bed head. I believe it's called the Lollipop. It is just a diffuser. One of my soror sisters was using this as a blow dryer, and she was all confused about it, and I'm like, no, sister, it's a diffuser, not a blow dryer. I normally go from warm to cool, depending on the products I have in my hair. Sometimes if I go warm, it really dries up my hair, so I'll switch it to cool. Unless the products can really hold out, then I would keep it on warm. And I always keep it on low. I never go on high because that would just be a hot mess for my hair. So just like always, I try to focus on the bottom part and then the top towards the end, only because the bottom always takes forever to dry. So I focus there a little bit more. Okay, so I diffused my hair for maybe 10 minutes or so. The curls are looking really nice, and I honestly think it is because of the gel. The gel is for your edges, so it is a stronger hold, but I think because I used it around my hair, because you know I don't really care, it's keeping everything a little bit more defined, and it still looks like it gives you like that wet looks. No, wet looks not the right word. It's still like it looks like it's not fully dry, even though my hair is like almost dry. But towards this part, I let it air dry on its own. But since I did say we're going to a chocolate festival, I'm just gonna let it air dry there, and I'll just check in with you guys while I'm there or a little bit after to see how it looks. But so far, I really like the turnout that it's, you know, coming out to be. Look at these long, look at how long my hair is. It does feel heavy on the hair only because the gel is a like max hold gel. So do take that into consideration. Again, I don't mind stuff like that. I prefer my hair with more products, more weighed down, because it does get pretty big. And I do mess with my hair a lot. Like I like tease it a lot throughout the day. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys a little bit later and see how the rest of the day is going. Okay, see you guys in a few. Okay, so it's been about 2-3 hours. My hair is completely dry, but it stayed flat for the most part because of the gel. So we're still at the Oakdale Chocolate Festival. We haven't had any chocolate though. Here's my daughter. Kennedy. We're tired and ready to go home, but we're just waiting on something to be made for us, and we'll be heading back. I'll do another check-in when I get home. The curls pretty much stayed put, so I'm very happy about that. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys in a few. Bye. Okay, so it's been quite a few hours. I am back home from the chocolate festival. It was a lot of fun. It was hot, but there was a nice breeze, so that helped. My hair is completely dry. I actually really like the outcome of all these products. The Max Hold Gel, of course, kept everything really defined, but you can feel like, oh, these curls aren't like going anywhere. I think for next time I'll probably use a little bit less gel, but honestly I really like the gel. So yeah, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, and thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Bye.